I took out my egg roll for 1 hour. So this is my egg roll. And make sure you need to move each other so they are sticky in it before you fry. That, yes. Every aisle I put some like this. That's from the box of the egg roll wrapper. Alright, nice. You put in a deep pan like this. Oil, you put enough in there, not only little, because you're gonna burn your egg roll. We need to wait until the oil is hot, but don't too much over hot, because when you put in there, it become burning right away, and egg roll is not cooked. So that's the way how to fry the egg roll, because I have my friend, they always complaining how to fry the egg roll, because when she cook the egg roll, always burning. Alright, my friend, hope you watching my video. I want to show you something here. Now I just sprinkle the water and it becomes sizzling. After that, if the quiet means it's already hot. So I'm just wait until the sizzling is done. Here you need to put in a medium heat. Then like 10 minutes, turn to the low heat. Okay. They are now, come on sizzling. Alright, are you hit now? Because this egg roll, my daughter gonna bring this to work. Alright, here we go. Okay. See, make sure the egg roll is floating. Make sure, because if not floating, if you put oil like a little only, that the causes of burning. There we go. Alright, my friend, I hope you're watching my video so that you already know how to fry the egg roll. Alright, hope you're watching. Make sure you need to always check, because sometimes still stick inside. Make sure everything is moving. Alright. Make sure the color is golden brown, not too much brown, because when you take out, become burning. Alright, my friends, this is it. See, like that, not too much brown. So I'm gonna take out now. See, that's the way. Okay, then put in with a paper towel in there. Another again. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. We're in business now. Look at that. It become brown now. That's why you don't take out like that, because it become cold, become very brown, become dark. Alright, okay, that's the way. See that? A little lighter, because when you take out, it become like this. So take out that like that color. There we go. I have still a lot. That's it, guys. How to fry the egg roll, and this is ready to bring my daughter at work. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care and God bless.